Here at Scott Legal, we know the complex issues presented by immigration law. We are here to help you navigate the oftentimes difficult road in acquiring or maintaining your immigration status, so you can continue living and working in the United States. We have new immigration videos every week. If you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and bell. You can also sign up for one of our webinars, or get a free immigration guide, by clicking the link below. Many of our clients ask how much time they can spend outside the US, as a green card holder. We'll be answering this question throughout this video, so stick around. Once you receive your green card, you should keep in mind that there are some actions that can constitute an abandonment of your green card. If you plan to get a US green card, and then live predominantly in some other country, or move permanently to another country, then a green card may not be the best option for you. The government will deem the following actions as abandonment of your green card. If you move to another country and you intend to live there permanently. If you declare yourself a non-immigrant on US tax returns. If you spend an extended period of time outside the US unless your stay is temporary. Please note that one common thing for all the above actions is that the green card holder may not realize that a particular action constitutes an abandonment. You can also voluntarily explicitly give up your green card by filing for I-407.
So, how much time can I spend outside the US as a green card holder?
If you want to spend more than a year outside of the US, you should apply for a re-entry permit before you leave the US. The fact that you were issued a re-entry permit means that you should not be deemed to have abandoned your green card solely on the duration of an absence abroad, while the re-entry permit was valid. However, the re-entry permit does not guarantee an entry into the US, and the officer will still consider several factors. If you plan to spend less than a year outside the US, as long as you can demonstrate that your trip outside the US was temporary, the international trip should not have any effect on your green card, and should not constitute an abandonment. The officer at the border will make a determination on whether he or she thinks that you have abandoned your green card every time you enter the US. Short trips are usually not an issue at all for your green card status. A problem arises if you have spent several months outside the US, such as 9 months, or if you took several trips that were all a couple months long. In this case, you will have to demonstrate to the officer that you have always intended to make the US your permanent home. When looking at whether you have abandoned your green card, the officer will look at factors such as: what was your intention when leaving the US? Did you intend for your trip to be temporary? What was the reason for your trip? Did any events prolong your absence? While you were away, did you still have family in the US? While you were away, did you keep community ties? Did you keep working for a US employer, or are you employed abroad? Did you file US taxes as a green card holder? Did you keep paying for your lease? Did you keep paying for a mortgage? Do you own a property in the US? Did you keep a US mailing address? Do you have US bank accounts? Do you have a valid US driver's license? Do you have a business in the US? Please note, if you are planning to file a naturalization application, you will also have to demonstrate that you meet the continuous residence and physical presence. If you were outside the US for 6 continuous months or more, then you will have to rebut the presumption that you broke the continuous residence. We are here to help. You can contact us by calling 212-223-2964, or by sending us an email. We look forward to hearing from you. You can also schedule a consultation by clicking on the link below, where you can choose a day and time that is most convenient for you.